Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Harshana Bijlani, Medical Head, AgeLess Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about a facial that I love. It's trending all over the world and it's a huge rage right now. And that's the Liquid Gold Facial. So let me tell you why I introduced it in my clinic. Two main reasons. One, to help with pigmentation and glow. Second, to help with micro-aging. Before I get into the facial, I thought let me talk about these two things for those of you who may want a little bit more information about how it may help you. First, glow-stroke pigmentation. What is pigmentation? Pigmentation is general darkening of the skin. So freckles, age spots, a pimple mark that is left on your skin, a little bit of sun tanning, maybe melasma, which is the hormonal pigmentation that we get. These are all types of pigmentation. Unfortunately, we as Indians have a genetic tendency, and the fact that we live in a hot tropical country, we are far more prone to pigmentation than we are to wrinkling. The next reason why I introduced it is something called micro-aging. Now maybe a lot of y'all don't know what micro-aging is, but if you split the word, micro, tiny, aging, aging. So what does micro-aging mean? It means that before you actually see visible signs of aging starting to happen on your face, we're actually aging on a microscopic level, tiny amounts at a time. So studies have shown that we lose 1% of our collagen every year from the age of 25. So what is collagen? Collagen is, if you imagine a building, collagen will be your scaffolding of the building. It's the building blocks of the building. So that's what collagen is. It keeps our skin firmer, keeps our skin tighter. So we're actually losing that as we grow older, and hence the word micro-aging. It helps us with open pores. It helps us with a glow. It helps us with pigmentation. It helps brighten the skin. It helps us with the fine pesky lines that we have. It helps with dry, dehydrated skin. So it helps give us moisture into our skin. It helps tighten our skin a little bit. So you'll actually find the skin just looks that much tighter, and it helps with firmness of the skin. Anybody above the age of 25, unless you're not pregnant or breastfeeding, only because it's not studied in those cases. But apart from that, anybody can do the facial. I would recommend perhaps doing it once a month initially to see the visible results of it, and then you can start combining with the other facials and then extend the duration of the facials. The first step would include the ageless deep cleansing process. So this is an age-old technique that we have mastered. And that's just to clean your pores and get rid of that dead skin and just make the skin a little bit more supple. The next step that we have is a mask. Now this mask is no regular mask. It's an amazing gold Korean mask which is infused with all these gold botanicals and amino acids which just help moisturize the skin and plump it up a little bit. The third step, which is the most crucial part of the facial, is using this little micro-dosing bottle. So this micro-dosing bottle, if I hold it up, you won't even be able to see the needles on the top of it. But when I put it on your skin, you'll feel a little pricky sensation whilst all that amazing stuff is going into your skin. You don't need numbing cream for this, and there's no pain per se. Maybe slightly on a scale of 1 to 10, most of my patients say it's around 1 or 2. So that's the facial for you. What is the post-care after the facial? Can I put makeup? Can I go out? So on the day that you do it, we recommend you not to put makeup, only because you have all that good stuff infused into your skin. You want to keep it there as long as possible. So we usually recommend leave it on, sleep with it in the night and wash it off the next morning. The next day, you can use your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your night products, everything as normal. You can even put makeup the next day. After this entire facial is done, what we recommend is good quality home care products. So good antioxidants, your vitamin C, your idabinone, all these good stuff you can use, hyaluronic acid. Continue using it at home to prolong the results of your facial. I hope you liked this facial. In the meanwhile, stay tuned and stay glamorous.